I started baking during COVID when I left my full-time job. I needed something to get through the holidays, and then I started baking and it took off. I started selling at the farmer's market, and now I have a retail store. At the shop, we offer a variety of sweet and savory. We're known for our scones. We have wonderful quiche in the morning. We have fabulous cookies and cake. We always have a couple gluten-free options. We also have some dairy-free options, including bread. My favorite would be our classic chocolate chip or our chocolate cake. I think Wasena was a great up-and-coming neighborhood for us to be a part of. We were just getting started when this opportunity was presented, and it just seemed like a great fit. I hope that the bridge closure brings the neighborhood together and we can really come unify and be able to make wonderful improvements in the neighborhood, because there are a lot of great opportunities here. Our product complements R&D Coffee across the street. You can also find our quiche at Bloom on Saturdays. So it's a nice little collaborative little neighborhood we have. There's lots of families, lots of active people, lots of regulars. We have a little girl who comes every Friday and brings us art. We have people who come to share with coworkers. We get to know their lives and they get to know ours, and it's a really neat little connection that we get to have. Come check us out.